You're watching TVC News at 7. I am Nifemi Oguntoye. We'll start off with judicial matters as the Federal High Court sitting in Abuja adjourned hearing on the bail applications filed by former Attorney General of the Federation, Abubakar Malami, and two other defendants to 7th January. Mariam Mohammed reports.
The trial of former Attorney General of the Federation, Abubakar Malami, alongside Bashir Asabe and Abdulaziz Abubakar Malami, resumed on Friday, January 2nd, 2026, before Justice Emeka Nwite of the Federal High Court in Abuja. When the matter was called, the defense counsel, led by David Joseph Daudu, told the court that the defendants had just been served with several counter-affidavits filed by the prosecution, each running into about 30 paragraphs. The defense requested time to study the document and responded appropriately. The prosecution counsel, led by E.E. Iheanacho, confirmed service of the processes, but also asked for time to examine further affidavit filed by the defense, noting that his team had equally been served shortly before the hearing. The request, however, was opposed by the defense, which accused the prosecution of deliberate delay and urged the court to proceed with the bail hearing, describing the situation as unfair to the defendants. In response, the prosecution denied any attempt to unlawfully detain the defendants, insisting that the issues raised, particularly allegations of witness interference, were serious and required careful judicial considerations. The defense urged the court to grant bail on liberal terms, arguing that the defendants had previously enjoyed administrative bail, posed no flight risk, and had surrendered their international passport to the EFCC. But the prosecution opposed the applications, relying on provisions of the Administration of Criminal Justice Act and Supreme Court's decisions, arguing that alleged interference with witness undermines the integrity of a fair trial and justifies continued custody. The prosecution further maintained that administrative bail granted during investigation do not bind the court once formal charges have been filed. After listening to the arguments from both sides, Justice Emeka Nwite noted the volume of processes before the court and adjourned the matter to 7th January 2026 for further hearing. Pending the date, the defendants are to remain in custody at the Kuje Correctional Center.
The court is quite busy at this time. It has a lot of pending rulings in respect of similar matters filed by the EFCC, and that explains why he's giving us till the 7th of January to take for the ruling. By God's grace, we'll be here on that 7th, and we are hopeful that based on what we have presented before the court, that the court in its wisdom will exercise its discretion in favor of granting bail to the defendant.
The court's ruling on the bail applications is now expected at the next sitting as legal fireworks continue in high-profile case involving the former Attorney General and the federal government. Mariam Mohammed, TVC News, Abuja.